Hey everyone! Want to rank higher on Google and drive more organic traffic? Whether it's a blog, a commerce site, or a local business, SEO is the key to getting noticed. Stick around, and I'll share the best practices to build a winning SEO strategy. Did you know 75% of people never go past the first page of search results? If you're not there, you're missing out on customers. But don't worry, I'll show you how to get your business to the top. Let's dive into the best practices that will boost your SEO game. 1. Keyword research. To rank higher, you need to know what your audience is searching for. Start by researching relevant keywords. These are the search terms people type into Google. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush will help you find the right keywords for your business. Remember, focus on long-tail keywords. These are more specific and often less competitive. 2. Optimize on-page elements. Make sure your on-page elements are optimized. That means using your target keywords in critical places like the title tag, meta descriptions, headers, and throughout your content. Don't forget to add relevant alt text to images and optimize your URLs. Keep it natural, though you don't want to keyword stuff your content. 3. Create high-quality content. Google rewards websites that provide valuable, high-quality content. Focus on creating in-depth, informative content that answers your audience's questions. Whether it's a blog post, product description, or landing page, aim for quality over quantity. And remember, the longer your content, the better it typically performs. Just make sure it's engaging and useful. 4. Improve site speed and mobile optimization. Did you know that 53% of mobile users will leave a site if it takes longer than 3 seconds to load? Fast-loading pages are crucial for both user experience and SEO. Optimize your site speed by compressing images, enabling browser caching, and reducing unnecessary plugins. Also, ensure your site is mobile-friendly, as Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing. 5. Build backlinks. Backlinks, when other reputable websites link back to your content, are one of the most important ranking factors. Build a strong backlink profile by creating content others want to link to, reaching out to industry influencers, and getting featured in guest posts or industry publications. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more authority your site gains in Google's eyes. 6. Focus on technical SEO. Technical SEO is the foundation of a well-optimized site. This involves things like ensuring your site is easy to crawl, has an XML sitemap, uses HTTPS, and doesn't have any broken links. Use tools like Google Search Console to monitor your site's health and fix any technical issues that could affect your rankings. 7. Local SEO for local businesses. If you're a local business, you need to optimize for local searches. Make sure to create and optimize a Google My Business profile, use local keywords, and encourage customers to leave reviews. Local SEO can help you dominate your specific geographic area and attract nearby customers. 8. User experience matters. SEO isn't just about keywords and backlinks. Google also looks at user behavior. If visitors spend more time on your site, engage with your content, and navigate easily, that's a positive signal to Google. Improve user experience by making your site easy to navigate, using clear calls to action, and keeping your design clean and simple. 9. Regularly update content. Google loves fresh content. Regularly update your old blog posts, landing pages, and product descriptions to keep them relevant and valuable. This not only helps with rankings, but also keeps your audience engaged with the most current information. 10. Track and measure your results. Like any strategy, SEO requires constant monitoring and adjustments. Use tools like Google Analytics, Search Console, and SEMrush to track your rankings, traffic, and performance. Analyze what's working and where you can improve, and adjust your strategy as needed. Ready to take your SEO strategy to the next level? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below if you have any SEO questions or tips you want to share. And of course, share this video with anyone looking to boost their online presence.